The latest Porsche 911 GT3 SC is already one of the most exciting driver's cars on the market, but Porsche exclusive manufacturer is taking it a step further with the new street style package. Finished in Slate Grey Neo, this configuration transforms the lightweight sports car into a more distinctive and personalized machine while keeping everything enthusiasts love about its naturally aspirated performance. Slate Grey Neo gives the car a modern and sophisticated appearance. The deep metallic gray finish highlights every curve of the wide body without being overly flashy. Instead of relying on bright paint to grab attention, Porsche combines subtle elegance with carefully chosen contrasting details that make the entire package stand out. One of the first things people notice is the matching forged magnesium wheels finished in red. They blend seamlessly with the body while reducing unsprung weight, helping improve handling and steering response. Behind those lightweight wheels sit Victory Gold Porsche ceramic composite brakes, creating a striking contrast against the dark exterior. The gold calipers immediately signal that this is a serious performance car built for spirited driving. The street-style package also introduces Pyro red graphics along the lower doors and ahead of the rear wheels. These accents give the car a motorsport-inspired appearance without overwhelming the clean design of the 911. Dark matrix light, emitting diode headlights, and a black windshield frame complete the aggressive look, although buyers can choose a body-colored windshield frame if they prefer a more understated finish. Despite the visual upgrades, the GT3 SC remains focused on delivering one of the purest driving experiences available today. Power comes from a naturally aspirated 4.0-liter flat-six engine producing 502 horsepower and 332 pound-feet of torque. The engine revs all the way to 9,000 revolutions per minute, delivering the kind of sound and throttle response that has become increasingly rare in today's performance car market. Unlike many modern sports cars that rely exclusively on automatic transmissions, the GT3 SC is available only with a 6-speed manual gearbox. Porsche designed this model for drivers who enjoy complete control and maximum involvement behind the wheel. The combination of the high-revving engine and manual transmission creates an experience that many enthusiasts consider one of the best available in any production car. Performance is every bit as impressive as expected. The GT3 SC accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.7 seconds before reaching a top speed of 194 miles per hour. Double wishbone front suspension, rear axle steering, lightweight carbon fiber reinforced plastic components, magnesium wheels, and Porsche ceramic composite brakes all work together to deliver exceptional precision on both the road and the racetrack. Inside, Porsche continues the exclusive theme with a slate gray and guards red leather interior. 4 color-woven leather seat centers give the cabin a unique appearance, while guards, red contrast stitching, seat belts, door pull loops, and seat release loops add a sporty atmosphere. Race text trim throughout the cabin further emphasizes the car's performance-focused personality. What makes this configuration especially appealing is how balanced it feels. The exterior remains clean and sophisticated, while carefully selected accents provide just enough color to separate it from a standard GT3. Every detail appears intentional, from the matching gray wheels to the gold brake calipers and red graphics. For buyers looking for a collectible Porsche with factory exclusivity, the street-style package in Slate Grey Neo could become one of the most desirable specifications of the new 911 GT3 SC. It combines timeless styling, lightweight engineering, a naturally aspirated engine, and a manual transmission into a package that celebrates everything enthusiasts admire about Porsche sports cars.